Inzai for 3. Dan Martin at ulit. Dan Martin, pull up Jay, no good. And Morales. Morales, Ken Guillermo. Ken. What a ball movement. Uy, asal meron na na. Number 27. On the right side, still finding her shot. And Guillermo Antulin. To Kim Zaide. Morales. In and out. Kay Ken ulit. Yes, sir. 2-0. Harvey G. Inside. There's a foul. 2 free throws. Para kay Harvey. First throw, yes sir. Bessie. Hey, stolen. Save ball. Don Martin. To number 27. 27 spins. Wow. What a move by number 27. Inside for 3. Oh, good. Another opportunity. In and out. Lapikan. Good. Kaya na bola. Nice pass. Wala pa rin. Ken lapas kay Harvey. Wala. Good. 3. Yes, sir. Inside for 3. Score natin. 6-2. Number 6. Rapas inside, no good. Number 27 recovers the ball to number 16. Basket for 3. Boom, 3 points. Manalo. Inside right, Rapas. Stolen by number 6. Number 11. Inside, on the left side, Don Martin for 3, no good. Crosses over. Manalo stops. To Kim Zaide, wow, 3. Score natin, 9-5. My goodness. On the right side, number 27. Here you are. 7-9. Inside once again. No good. Number 6. Number 6. Trapas kay number 27. To number 16. Basket for 3. Huwag niyo pabayaan yan. Mamaya, susunod yan. Harvey. On the left. Wow! Nice pass, tapigan. Basket na naman. Stolen. Inside for 3. No good. Don Martin recovers the ball. Number 27. Bahan. On the left side, inside, stolen by Harvey. Fast break transition, no good. Number 27, Don Martin inside, rebound, Harvey, back to Kim. Kim setting the play. On the right side, traveling violation. Score natin, 9-7. Mahaba pa. too strong. Bessie wide open. Rebound. Kim. Manalo. Manalo. Again. Wow. Nice play for GE Projects. Number 27. Number 6, Garcia. Lefty, Don Martin. No good. Inside. Traveling violation. Score natin, 11-7. Morales. Uh-oh. Labas inside. Hey, crosses over. Harvey. Opponent's ball. Number 11. Inside. Inside. Tumatalo. Tukin. Uh-oh. No good. Number 27. Pull up. Yes, sir. Change score. 9-11. Score natin. 11-9. Naman pa rin ang kumuna nila. Team Zaire. Good. Team for 3. Hey, Bessie, recovers the ball to number 27. All 11. Labas tabi. Save ball. Manalo. Yes, sir. 2 points para kay Manalo. Number 6 on the right side. To number 6. So good. Ken. Morales. Slippery. Same ball. That's the ball. Good stop by number 6. Pass ball. Yes, sir. 2 points para kay Manalo. Score natin, 15-11. Time remaining. Last 4 minutes in the game. 3. 14-15. Number 27. To Morales. Give it back. I give it back, pero wala. Number 16, Bessie, setting up the play. So on the left side, no good. Off the glass, took inside it. Opponent's ball. Number 27 behind to number 16, Bessie for 3. Boom! 3 points para kay Bessie. 17-15, lamang na ng dalawa ang una nila. Bessie. Guillermo inside. What a play. All. Kanila ulit, Harvey. On the last 2 points para kay Harvey. Score natin, 19-17 in favor of Depensa. Number 27, behind, Papigan. Inside to number 16, Bessie again. 3! Sabi ko sa'yo, magtayan yun eh. 20-19. Again! Papawi! Hey, Bessie na naman! Hey, what a play! Inside to the 14! My goodness! 20-19. Manalo, Kim, Tuken, Manalo, wala. Inside the number 6, Last 2 minutes in the game. Number 12, stalling na naman ni number 27. Number 27, Lays. No good. Team Zaire. Manado. Stops. Spins. On the right side, use the left. Wala. Kapigan na Martin recovers the ball. Set lang daw. Lamang tayo. 22-19. Number 6, inside. 24-19. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds in the game. Harvey. Wow. Side ball. Morales for 3. Bang! 3. 22-24. Last 50 seconds in the game. Dalawa lang yan. Depensa kayo. Working to shoot. Teardrop on the glass. Wow. 26-22. Last 30 seconds in the game. To game 3. Too strong. Last 20 seconds. 26-22. Apat ang lamang ng opensa. Working to shoot. Last 3 seconds. Game ball. Dalawa lang. Nice game. Kamay-kamay. Beso-beso. Okay. Marami pang games, mga sir.